Good morning! Today marks the end of Ramadan for our Muslim brothers and sisters. Eid Mubarak! With what's happening all around the world with the pandemic, there's still reasons to be thankful, there's still reasons to be grateful. Normally, this is a time where we go out, kasi mahaba yung holidays, we go out and we travel. But as you know, we cannot. That's alright because our priority is safety and health for all, but sometimes you're just craving for a sense of normalcy. Alam niyo yun? My wife and I have been living in the UAE for more than 10 years now. I haven't had the chance to make content for the UAE. Hi, Luca. Now that we can't go out because of the threat na mahawa ka sa COVID-19, we realize that what we used to take for granted for the past 10 years, we miss it so bad. Huh? More than 10 years. 12 years daw, sabi ng 10 ako ng 10, 12 years daw, sabi ng misis ko. So, we've decided for today, since hindi naman kami makalabas, social gathering is still not encouraged. So, we've decided that today, we will go on a road trip, kaming mag-asawa, with Lucca, our dog, to go visit all the 7 Emirates. And then, tatry namin na puntahan yung some of our favorite places in this country. Now, the 7 Emirates will be going is Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, Al Quwain, and Ajman. The places that we'll visit may be touristy or maybe they're personal for us. But this is something that we do to highlight some sites here in the UAE, but also to try and find some sense of normalcy. So if you're planning to go to the UAE when all of this is over, or maybe nasa UAE ka and you want to know if there are things na hindi mo pa napuntahan, sama kayo sa amin. May curfew ng 8 p.m. and it's 6:30 in the morning now. We have 14 hours to go through all the 7 Emirates. So, mag-iikot kami sa UAE. Sama kayo! So here, every time nalalabas ka, you have to wear a mask. Tapos kung mag-drive ka sa kotse at may kasama ka sa kotse, dapat nakamask ka pa din. Si Joy, bumaba sa ground floor. Kasi kailangan i-walk si Lucca. So kukunin ko na yung kotse, kukunin ko na sila. Lucca, nagpupo?
Yes.
Hi.
And it's solid. Hello.
So we live in an area called Jumeirah Village Circle. It's in Dubai, in an emirate where the real estate cost highest. I think Dubai is the second most expensive emirate here in the UAE. Pero dun sa tinitira namin, it's one of the more less expensive areas to live in. So first stop namin is Sharjah. Pero na-realize namin na hindi pala kami nagpupunta ng Sharjah.
Hindi nagpupunta kami dito para pumunta doon sa mga bahay ng mga kaibigan namin.
Yeah. But apparently Sharjah has some of the best universities in the country.
And art museums.
Ang daming pwedeng puntahan sa Sharjah. We've taken Sharjah for granted.
Yes.
Having said that, if babalik kami, we will go to this place. It's called Al Noor Island. It's a nice park na located on an island off of the main Sharjah city.
Yes.
So may bridge lang na lalakarin mo papunta dun sa park. This is Sharjah, so our next stop will probably be Ajman. Okay? So Emirate 1 down, it's 8:20. Hala, let's go. On the way to Ajman. Isusunod na pupuntahan natin sa Ajman is not really a touristy area. As a matter of fact, it's located in an industrial area, mga factories, mga warehouses dito sa Ajman. We've had the opportunity to spend time here with family and friends. Makikita nyo. Wanna go to the beach?
Let's go.
Huh? You wanna go to the beach? Lucca? Come on.
Yay! Come
Now, Ajman is usually known for staycations, no? Sa 7 Emirates, pag sinabi mong Ajman, marami diyang magagandang hotels like the Oberoi, where you can spend a long weekend or spend the weekend and relax. But having said that, hindi namin na-experience yon. When you say Ajman, ito ang pumapasok sa isip namin, itong lugar na to. This spot is a campsite by the beach. The beach is Hamriya Beach. If you're a tourist, you probably won't be here. Yung mga nagpupunta dito, yung mga gustong mag-camping, yung mga gustong mag-fishing, because you can fish right here. May mga nahuhuling isda dito, sa maniwala kayo at sa hindi. So it's a place where we go with friends and family para lang mag-relax, para mag-unwind, to spend time. Up next! Anong up next?
Umm Al Quwain.
Umm Al Quwain up next.
May camels na ng dami! Oh!
So when we're talking about Umm Al Quwain, as far as I'm concerned, isa lang yung favorite place that comes to mind. When we were very new here in the UAE, Joy and I, alcohol is very hard to come by and very hard to get kasi first of all, if you're in Dubai, kailangan mo ng approval sa landlord mo and etc. It's just too difficult. Now, ang workaround namin is magpunta sa lugar where you can buy liquor without any licenses. And mas mura kasi mas konti ang tax na ina-apply. And so, one of the first na napuntahan namin ni Joy is a shop called Barracuda. And apparently, hanggang ngayon, sikat pa rin siya. I thought it would be closed, pero hindi pala. As a matter of fact, punong-puno, parang walang COVID.
Ang daming tao nakakapara na lumabas. Haba yung pila. Mas mainit pa.
And it's just 10 in the morning. I wanted to buy something pero I'm not gonna risk my life pipila sa ganito. Maybe it's safe pero I'm too paranoid. Dahil konti lang ang napuntahan namin sa Al Quwain, this is probably our favorite place here in Al Quwain. And hindi na ako bababa. Punta na tayo sa 4th Emirate natin. And medyo malayo.
This is our 4th Emirate. Andito kami sa Fujairah. When you talk about diving sa UAE, ang go-to place is yung Fujairah. So, andito kami ngayon.
That spot right there is Snoopy Island. It's a rock just off the shore. It's a place where people can scuba dive. Normally, ito yung panahon para mag-start ang scuba diving. Shout out sa Filipino Scuba Divers Club. Pwede ka ring mag-camp dito sa beach opposite Snoopy Island, free yan. So pwede ka ring mag-overnight, tapos pwede ka mag-night diving, na try ko na yon. When you talk about Fujairah, it's all about diving. 12 o'clock na, so dito na kami magla-lunch. May baon kami kasi we want minimal contact with people. Saka para magtipid na rin kami. So imbis na bumili kami somewhere, may baon kaming food. Now we're off to Ras Al Khaimah and I found myself a driver. Change shift! Na. Hello. Excuse me. Pwede magtanong? Naliligaw kami. Ay shucks. Nakatingin siya. Lucca camel. May camel. We reached our 5th Emirate, which is Ras Al Khaimah. And this is our favorite place in Ras Al Khaimah. Teka, wala palang tao. Pwede ako magtanggal.
Sa Sharjah, hiking trail kami.
Usually from October onwards, pag winter season nagki-kick in, we always find ourselves here. Dito kami nagka-camping again with friends and family, where we camp in the evening and then we hike the trails in the mornings. Marami na rin kaming nadalang visitors dito, but this remains mainly for locals or residents na nagsistay dito. This is not one of the top lists kapag turista ka na pupuntahan. But for us, there was a time na 1 year, every week, buong winter, nandito kami. And so this is our favorite place. Nami-miss na namin mag-camp sa area. As much as we want to stay, it's 3 o'clock and we have to go to the second to the last emirate, which is Abu Dhabi. That's 2 hours away. We have to go. Plus, parang uulan. Maambon eh. Anyway, shout out sa AA.
Hello!
So hopefully makabalik kami dito as soon as circumstances allow. Off we go to Abu Dhabi?
Yes!
Abu Dhabi, Lucca? Wala siyang pake. Masaya lang siya. So, delikado. It doesn't happen often. Tapos, meron pa tayong at least isang emirate na pupuntahan bago ang Dubai. It doesn't look good. No problem. Naraw na ulit. No problem. We are now in Abu Dhabi, which is our second to the last emirate. 4:30 na. It will take another 30 minutes to reach yung favorite place ko sa Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is the biggest and wealthiest emirate. Siya rin ang capital ng UAE and it's the seat of government. This is the only spot that we have. Our favorite place in Abu Dhabi is if you grew up in a part of the Philippines that is predominantly Christian, chances are you have a skewed understanding of what Islam is about. So kami, pag may nagpupuntang bisita dito, ang gustong-gusto namin silang dalhin is dito sa Grand Mosque. Mainly because it helps them understand what Islam is about. And if you understand that, then you have an idea of what this country is about. And then you also have an idea of what its leaders are about and what its people are about. The Grand Mosque is a great place to educate and introduce people to Islam or yung culture and also the culture of the UAE. So this is one favorite thing that we miss here in Abu Dhabi, and it's our favorite place. Sarado ang Grand Mosque, so we can't stay for long. Nakapark ako illegally. But just showing you the place. So it's 5 o'clock. We have time to spare. We have 2 more stops before heading back to Dubai and going to our favorite place in Dubai. We have time. Tama ba? We have time?
Yes, we have time. Last night, nag-bake ako ng chocolate muffins para dun sa friends namin dito sa Abu Dhabi. Hindi pa namin sila nami-meet for, I think, simula nung mag-lockdown. Hello!
Wrong floor.
Ah!
Hello!
Here you go!
Thank you! Saan si Lucca?
Bawal doggy. Bye!
So it's almost 6. We have 1 more stop to go to. Nakita niyo yung pila kanina sa Barracuda liquor store sa Al Quwain. I'm not that desperate to go and buy liquor from a situation like that. Having said that, dito sa may border ng Abu Dhabi at Dubai, there's a liquor store called Eurostar. And medyo pricey lang sila because of the tax, but you can still get liquor here. And there should be less people. No line, so hindi mo kailangan pumila. Hindi ko pwedeng dalhin yung camera kasi bawal mag-shoot doon. So I'll just leave you guys here. Then I'll see you later. Okay? Got it. Got my stash. It's 6:48 and we're probably 30 minutes away from our final stop, which is our favorite place in Dubai. We're here at our favorite spot and we have time to spare. Alam nyo, maraming magagandang lugar dito sa Dubai. And places that we like. Ras Al Arab, Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, Mall of the Emirates, Old Souk. But nothing beats home.
We're home!
Nothing beats home. We've been here for the past 12 years in the UAE, and I've never given much thought about the UAE being home. But now, because of the pandemic and because of our inability to do stuff, to do things, to go places that we were able to do before, puts into our perspective that this has been our home. We miss it. And apart from the places na nabisita namin, we miss the people that we shared those places with, the people that we shared those experiences with. That's something that we just want to express out there, na we miss normal. And I know a lot of people are, and I know that a lot of people have bigger problems than just not being able to go out and visit places and be with family. Having said that, we hope that things will get better soon. And I hope watching this video, if you're based in the UAE in the midst of this pandemic, kahit pa paano napangiti kayo or na-enjoy nyo yung video na ginawa namin. So, what we did today is
We did 7 Emirates in 1 day.
see you next video. Follow nyo kami ha. Subscribe ha.
Sama kayo.
Ciao.